Today is January 5th, 2022. January 5th. So yesterday I went out to get some milk. I went out to get some whole milk. And I ended up getting this because none of the stores I went to, and I went to 3 stores that sell milk, and they didn't have the half gallons of milk that they usually have, of whole milk. I guess it has something to do with the fact that, well, I think January the 3rd was a holiday. I don't know. So, and they get their milk, it seems like on Wednesday, so maybe today they'll be filled. So, but I needed milk, so I bought this grass-fed milk. This usually costs $2.99. I got this for $4.99. It was on sale from $5.49. It was on sale. So I thought I'd try it, grass-fed milk. I don't know. Should I? Well, okay, I'll try it now. But that wasn't why I. Oh, did I mention I'm cooking some Scrapple? It's been cooking for 12 minutes. Supposed to cook it, I don't know, 10 minutes on each side, something like that. Depends on how hot you've got your. It's on 3. There's your Scrapple. Yummy. Okay, let me get a glass. Let me use this. But the reason I'm making this video is I have a little problem. So I bought this, and I'm leaving the store, and I'm thinking to myself, is that whole milk? So this is grass fed. See here it says whole milk. Can you see that? It's whole milk, but it doesn't say that anywhere on this. I'm guessing that it is whole milk compared to reduced fat milk. Whole milk is 4% fat. That's whole milk. Reduced fat is I think like 2%. And then there's 1%. And then there's skim milk. So I'm leaving the store. I'm asking myself, is that whole milk? So I thought, well, I guess I'll have to wait till I get home and look at. And nowhere on this container does it say whole milk. Now, it's got 160 calories compared to 150 here. Well, you can compare the labels. I'm not gonna, I guess you can. It's basically the same. Apparently the grass-fed has more fat, more saturated fat, as you can tell. Cholesterol is about the same. Sodium's the same. Carbohydrates are a little more in the bottle on the left. And this is what's called, where is it? Ultra pasteurized. Ultra pasteurized. I've heard that's now. So, what that does is, when you see the best if used by March 10th. Now I purchased this 2 weeks ago. Sell by 114. Well, the ultra pasteurized, I mean, stays. The sell-by date is like 2 months from when you see it in the store. Sometimes I don't know. That doesn't mean you can just. I've heard that the ultra pasteurized is there's a downside to it. I forget what it is. But I'm just, do you see whole milk, the word whole milk anywhere? And I wonder why not. I wonder why not. I'm trying to. Oh, no, the word whole milk is not on here anywhere. Nope. Well, that's basically. Let's see how the Scrapple's doing. Been cooking for 16, 17 minutes. Like I say, they say 8 minutes aside or 10 minutes aside, and of course it depends on how thick you cut your Scrapple and how hot you cook it on. Probably maybe the they say don't let your Scrapple touch each other. I mean, it's all right if they touch it for, but because if they touch, or if they, for any length of time, they become attached to each other. So you don't want to. You want to keep them Scrapple apart. Oh well. That's all for today.